Hello everyone, this is Place here, and I wanted to tell you that it's my second birthday for this channel. What I mean by this is that my channel is turning 2 years old right now. I've been on YouTube for like 2 years. None of my parents know this. Anyway, feel free feel free to request any videos that you want me to react to, film. Yeah, I have a video coming up. Sir, it's gonna be phenomenal. You guys don't know it. Anyways, I must be on my way to exposing another TV show. Anyways, I'll be right back. Anyways, I'm back. I'm about to be exposing some Brandy and Mr. Whiskers. I think this might be a reboot to. Actually, it's a revamp of, Psycho Pies. So, y'all know what time it is. Let's get this started. Hold up! Why is this bird so hype? Y'all hear that reaction? Hold up, you nasty ass freak. How you gonna shake your ass in my face? So fucking gross. Y'all saw that, right? This is for kids. They should not be seeing this. No wonder this called a kid show. This is not a kid show in the intro. Just watch and look. Holy crap. What? That's the first deaf experience for both of them. Disney has no chill. Y'all know I'm telling the truth. Hold up! What? Why? Why y'all got it? Why y'all gotta be killing somebody? This is. Oh my god, Disney! Can y'all chill, please? Oh, this nasty ass freak just put both his feet, both of his nose holes. Oh my god, stupid ass. Hold up! Why y'all do that? Damn! You see how they just got ran over? Oh my god. Oh damn! How you just gonna yell at my boy like that? He ain't do anything. So rude. Hold up. How you trying to go against your enemy after she just yelled at you? So fucking stupid. Really? Hold up. Whiskers, if you don't pop out, you're not Randall. You're not Randall. You can't go camouflage like that. She looking at you like, hold up. What type of drugs is this? This is a dang dodo bird drug. Hold up. How you just gonna carry my man like that? So rude. They just gonna get mad at him. Hold up. Never mind. Hold up. I gotta flame the both of y'all. Whiskers, y'all cannot. Doesn't he look like Cuddles from Happy Tree Friends? Y'all both bunny rabbit looking. I'm dead serious. But Brandy, my dude, I gotta roast you. You cannot tell me Max is your cousin from Secret Life of Pets. If you don't get your Secret Life of Pets face ass, y'all know I'm not lying. How you just gonna throw annoying orange right at his head? Hey, y'all know I'm not lying. That was kind of rude. Hold up. So cannibal, my dude. Y'all need to chill out. Bruh, this show is such similar to Camp Lazlo. Oh my god, I thought Whiskers was stupid. Like nigger, you're a gorilla. You should be fighting back. People could be real stupid. They be way stupid for this. Trying to run away from their enemies when they way stronger than them. But still. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, I'm gonna get you to hit that like button. Let's get the video to 5 likes. And as always, stay tuned for any other exposed videos. And until next time, get roasted!